Quire is a popular productivity and time management software that's gaining attention, but before you make the decision to buy, here are 12 things you need to know about it. I'll also compare it to other similar tools to help you figure out if it's the right fit for you. First, let's talk about the core feature, task management. Quire excels at offering a streamlined approach to managing tasks with its Kanban boards and lists. If you're coming from something like Trello, you'll notice similarities, but Quire adds a bit more flexibility with its nested task feature. This makes it easy to break down larger projects into smaller, more manageable tasks. Next thing, Quire's collaboration tools are solid but may not be as advanced as competitors like Asana or Monday.com. While you can assign tasks, leave comments, and track progress, it lacks certain team communication features you'll find on these platforms, like built-in messaging systems. If that's a must for you, this might be a limitation. The third thing to know is that Quire's free plan is relatively generous compared to competitors. You get most of the core features with no cost, but if you need advanced reporting, custom fields, or increased project limits, you'll have to look at the premium plan. However, if you're just starting out or a small team, the free version is quite enough. The fourth thing is its user interface. Quire's interface is clean and simple, which can be an advantage for some and a disadvantage for others. If you prefer a tool like ClickUp with a more feature-rich interface, you might find Quire's minimalism a bit limiting. However, if you're into simplicity, you'll appreciate the ease of use. Next, Quire offers a decent amount of integrations, but it doesn't have the sheer number that something like Zapier Connected Tools or Monday.com can offer. It supports key apps like Google Drive and Slack, but if you rely on other niche tools, you might run into gaps. The sixth thing is the task priority system. It's basic but functional, which works for a lot of users. However, if you need a more sophisticated way of setting priorities or managing deadlines, you might be better off with tools like Todoist, which offer more advanced priority settings. Seventh, mobile apps are another consideration. Quire's mobile app does the job, but isn't as robust as those from more established competitors like Trello or Asana. If you're someone who needs to manage tasks on the go frequently, you might find this a little limiting. The eighth thing is version history. Quire allows you to track changes, which is a nice feature for teams working on collaborative documents. It's not as advanced as some of the more expensive project management tools, but it's good enough for most users. Next, Quire is suitable for both personal and team productivity. Whether you're managing personal projects or collaborating with a team, it gives you the tools to do both. However, it may not be ideal for larger teams who need more advanced features like time tracking or budget management. For that, consider a tool like Rike. The 10th thing is its learning curve. Quire is easy to pick up, but like any tool, there's a slight learning curve to maximize its potential. If you're new to task management software, you'll find it relatively easy to get started, though it may take some time to master all the nuances. The 11th thing is its customer support. Quire provides decent support through chat and email, but it's not as robust as the 24/7 support you might get with larger platforms like Monday.com or Asana. This could be a problem if you need quick assistance. Finally, Quire is great for users who prioritize simplicity and ease of use, but if you're looking for a tool with more advanced features, you might find that other platforms like ClickUp or Rike offer more for your needs. It's a solid option for smaller teams or individuals looking for a simple, easy-to-use tool. But if you're after more advanced features and flexibility, we recommend trying our top solution, which you can try for free today.